Have you ever dreamed of building the next big social media platform? Imagine taking on the likes of X or Facebook, but with a twist, focusing on privacy, decentralization, and user control. Sounds exciting, right? Well, today, we're diving into how you can make an app just like Bluesky, a new wave of social media that's changing the game. Introduction to Bluesky. Bluesky, the alternative to X, has become the talk of the town. This decentralized social platform has been growing rapidly, attracting users who want more control over their data and freedom from centralized censorship. The app's popularity skyrocketed, and it's now generating a whopping $35 million in annual revenue. So, what's the secret behind Bluesky's success, and how can you create something similar? Let's find out. Steps to develop an app like Bluesky. Ready to get started? Building a Bluesky-like app might sound challenging, but with the right steps, you can totally do it. Here's your roadmap to success. Analyze the market. Before diving in, research is key. Check out your competition and analyze what they're doing right and what they could be doing better. Understanding your competitors will help you carve out your unique space. Hire the right development team. It all begins with the right team. Find a reputable app development company that knows the ins and outs of creating decentralized platforms. Don't just go for any team, make sure they have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Add a unique twist. Cloning an app is easy, but creating a unique one? That's where the magic happens. Think of features that'll set your app apart. Whether it's new ways for users to interact, or innovative security measures, let your creativity shine. User-centric design. Design matters. A sleek, easy-to-navigate interface can make all the difference in user experience. Think about how Bluesky's design keeps users coming back, and how you can improve it. Monetization. You've got your app, now how do you turn it into a moneymaker? Choose the right revenue model, whether it's ads, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Just make sure it suits your target audience. Testing and launching. Before you go live, make sure your app is ready for prime time. Test for bugs, improve functionality, and optimize the user experience. Features to integrate in your app like Bluesky. So, what features should you add to your app to make it the next big thing? Here's what you'll need to consider. Decentralized architecture. The heart of Bluesky is its decentralized architecture. This means users have control over their data, and it's more secure. Build this into your app, and you'll attract privacy-conscious users. Customizable feeds. Let users decide what they want to see. Customizable feeds make the app feel personal, and it keeps people engaged. Advanced moderation tools. No one wants a toxic online space. Implement strong moderation tools that keep your community safe and healthy. Open APIs for developers. Let others build on your platform. Open APIs will bring in fresh ideas and innovations. Cost to develop an app like Bluesky. Alright, now the real question. How much does it cost to develop an app like Bluesky? Let's break it down. Simple apps, $10,000 to $30,000. Moderately complex apps, $30,000 to $70,000. Highly complex apps, $70,000 to $150,000 plus. The total cost depends on a variety of factors, including the app's complexity, features, and the expertise of your development team. Factors affecting the cost of developing an app like Bluesky. But wait, there's more. The final cost can vary depending on these factors. App complexity. The more features and functionalities you want, the higher the cost. Platform type. Are you building for Android, iOS, or both? Cross-platform development can cost more. Development region. Where's your team located? Development rates vary based on the region. For example, developers in the US cost around $100 to $150 per hour, while those in Asia might charge as little as $30 to $60 per hour. Ready to take the plunge into the world of decentralized social media? With the right planning, features, and development team, you can create a Bluesky-like app that takes the market by storm. At RichestSoft, we specialize in creating innovative and secure apps that help businesses stand out. Let us help you turn your vision into reality. So, what are you waiting for? Contact RichestSoft today, and let's get started on building your social media empire.